ready to hit the skies? World Tech Toys Valkyrie makes it more fun than ever! This 2-foot helicopter is ready to fly out of the box. No assembly required. It features 3.5 channel control and gyroscopic technology for easy handling with any skill level. With a controller to adjust throttle, trim, and rudder, there's no limit to what it can do. Valkyrie's made of a strong but lightweight metal for durability and has a powerful rotor system. It features LED lights for low light visibility and a wall charger to get you back into the sky in a flash. The Valkyrie from World Tech Toys.